5 of Green Cityscape. Number 58, Lolo Max. Number 70, Consi Jawa Tibayan. Number 66, Sardinola. Numbers 57, Borja. And number 64, Mojica. Starting 5 of our Black Panther team. Number 75, Ondo. Number 82, Commissioner Jun Marasigan. Number 76, Tolites Marasigan. Number 60, Dimapilis. 80 ba? Number 72, June Garak. Number 80 pala yan. Alright, bakbakan na tayo. Lolo Max and Daddy Nel for our jumbo officiating team, Sir Chester, Sir Meek, and Sir Michael. Okay, first quarter. Tumira agad naman ang 3 points si Tito Jun Gabak. That's a bang, bang, bang. What a starter. Shout out daw po sa 3 live viewers natin dyan. Kay Zam, kay Kulot, at kay Sophia. Ayan. Kaway-kaway. 5 to shoot. Bumawi ng Tres Nugget. Out of bounds tayo dyan. Black Panther na naka-white. Commissioner Jun, pass to Tito Jun. Kato kayo. Tito Jun Gabak. To Commissioner again. Shot clock 12. 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. Si Kuya Jerry Ondo natirahan. Ito na Sir Borja. 1v1. What a shot by Sir Borja. Medyo nahilo sa part na yon si Tito Tolites. Score natin is 2-3. Shot clock 10. 5-second shot clock. Commissioner Jerry 3, no good. And here we go, Sir Borja once again, no good. Rebound yan. Tito Jun Gabak. Oh, the short by Kuya Ondo. Same ball. Naririnig ko si Nanay Josie sumisigaw. Magkakalaban ng Marasigan Brothers. Consi Cap. 12 to shoot. Consi Cap. Ay, mabanggagi ba? That's still out of bounds pa. Nabitawan. Green ball tayo, green ball. Baka natataka kayo, ba't green ball? Green Cityscape po yun. Pare-pareho lang sila ng uniform. Baliktaran yung mga practice game nila, reversible. Lolo Max, si Dukot King! 2 points! 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. Then to shoot. Same ball, 10 seconds. Shot clock 10. Ganda ng guys, ang ganda ng second game natin. Grabe, parang finals. Almost lost his footing. Good. 2 points. Hindi ba ito? Sabihin ko na lang po. Ibili nyo na kay Coach Perry. 15-second shot clock. Tito Dos, 4-3, in and out. Lolo Max, pass to Sir Mojica gets the 2 points. 8-3, 5-point lead. 15 to shoot. Oops! Walang tao, but there was a foul. Wala kayo doon papasahan, Sir Bor. Who's foul ref? Sorry po. Si Kuya Jerry. First personal, first team foul. Shout out po kay Manong Wilson. Happy viewing, Manong. Yan. Kung meron po kayong lamig. Si Manong Wilson ang bahala. There's a steal. Nakuha na. Commissioner June. Pass to Tito Dolights. Daddy Nell. Too strong. Oops, magkakampi. Serabora. No good! Shoutout do kay Lolo Max. Nanonood si Kuwinay. At si Mama Kla. Hello kay Mama Kla and kay Kuwinay. There was a foul. There was a whistle. Number 70, Consi Cup, first personal foul, first team foul. Okay, substitution. Mandatory substitution na po tayo. Pag after. Except po kay Okay, free throw po si Tito Jen Gabak muna. Okay, second five tayo. Ayan na, si Idol Beradio. First shot is no good. Okay. Second shot. Meron ba dong 9 lang ba sila? It's good. Ay, substitution. Second five po. Ayan. Thank you. Ito na si Idol Beradio. Nagdadala ng bola. Tingnan nyo, tumira! Wala! Kanino? Kanina pa rin bola. Shots wala pa din. Ayun, out of bounds. Sino yun? Sir Holgado pala, dun sa green. Here we go. Mendoza dribbling the ball. 12 to shoot. Nice pass to the kalaban. Oops. Pastor Rocky. Stolen. Nakonsi Nuestro. Almost lost the ball. Ayun na, nasundutan na nga. Nakon Sir Holgado. Sir Holgado. Shots, wala. Kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha na yan, Nino. Pastor, pinasa. Kay Kuya Dekdek. Kuya Dekdek, naipit. At yun, may foul na nga po si Kuya Dekdek. The number 78. First personal foul, second team foul. Second. Okay. 3 minutes, 49 seconds. 79. 78. There's a steal. Eight, 4. 4-3. No good. Nako na Sir Holgado. Pass to Sir Gilbert Manginaw. No good. Naghintay ng kakampi. Pass to Gailan. Gailan short. Nako ni Kuya Dekdek. Kuya Dekdek. Pinasa. Hindi ko makita ang shot clock. 4-3! 3 points! That's the bang, bang, bang by number 7-3 Mendoza. 8-7, 1-point lead. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Oh! Ang ganda sana tira doon. Kanya pa rin, oh. Naipit. 10 to shoot. Serveracho, hindi na alam ang gagawin. Nako ni Gailan. 2 points for Gailan. 2 minutes and hindi ko makita ang kung ilan. Mendoza. For 3 points. By Sir... Hindi ko na alam. Yan ba? Ay, hindi pala yun ang bye-bye. 2 points by Sir Magrasya. Sir Apeng. 2 minutes. 15-second shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nasundutan. 3-second shot clock. Tumira si Kosi. Ooh! All 12 tayo. Dikit ang laban. Serve radyo. Point guard. Oh, dire-diretso. Pinasa sa kalaban. Fast break yan. There's a defender. Oh, that's a steal by Sir Gilbert. Oh! Serve radyo. What a... Ayun, no good. Ang ganda sana nun. Nag-exhibition pa eh. Parang circus pa kay Sir Radyo. Yun nga lang. That's out of bounds. Turnover po ba? Yes. Sir Holgado. $50, 55 seconds. Shot clock is down to 10. Na-steal pa. Ayun lang. Na-disgrasya. Shots, wala. 36 seconds. 30. Gets the 2 points. Pastoria Rocky. That's a steal. Oops. Dahan-dahan ho. But there was a foul. Number 69. Si Sir Gilbert. First personal foul, second team foul. $15 shot clock. Ay, 7 seconds. Oh, 2 seconds. And that's the end of the first quarter.
Mabilis ang galaw, fast break crossover crowd ay sumisigaw. Hindi lang puntos, hindi lang tropeo, kundi respeto sa laro, tunay na esensya nito. Tagaytay 50, Tagaytay 50, Tagaytay 50.
Back to the ball game. Tagaytay 50. Shout out po kay Sam, kay Piang at kay Kulot. Alright. Black ball po. White jersey pero black tee. Sorry pala, ano pala sila? Green ball. Consig up shots. No good rebound. Ipit kinikili shot but there was a foul. It's a foul by player number 75. Tito Jun Gabak. First, 75 po ba? 75 pala, Kuya Jerry. Second personal. First team foul. Kuya Undo, dalawa na ikaw. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. 13-14, 1-point lead. Shot clock 5. Commissioner shots, no good. Here we go, Lolo Max. No good. Dan to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shots wala. Here we go, Tito Tolites. 12-second shot clock. Tito Tolites. Oh, imutik na pinutaan ng kapatid. No good. Lolo Max for the rebound. Pass to Sir Borja. Sir Borja. 3v1 situation. Naghintay ng kakampi. Sir Borja. Pass to Consi Bench. 10 to shoot. Sir Mojica. Naipaw na naman. Naku po si numbers 75. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Tatlo na si Kuya Ondo. Ubus ka na, Kuya Jerry. First shot is good. Dulas. Pinapaubos na. Para makapalit ng isa, no? Oo nga naman, strategy yun. Second shot is no good. Para mapalitan ng isa. That's a steal by Consi Bench. Consi was there. 3v1 situation. Oh! Pero Commissioner June was there. Grabe yun. And there's a foul. What a rebound by Commissioner June. That's a foul committed player number 64. First personal, first team foul. Grabe yung 3v1 situation, pero Commissioner June got the rebound. For 3 points. That's a bang, bang, bang by Tito Tolites, Mario Sigad. Mojica, pinasay ko si Cap. Uy, nag-miss communication. (14-17). 3-point lead, tatlo. Dikit din ang laban natin na to. 15 to shoot. Commissioner Jun sububok. Lolo Max was there for the rebound. Sir Borja. Sir Borja hesitates. Ay, yun lang. Na ano, kung ititira o hindi. Sayang. 12 to shoot. That's a steal. Consi Bench, walang bantay. 2 points. 16-17. Iisa. Tumila na naman ang tres. Ay. Wasak ang... Yun. Six minutes, 23 seconds. Sir Mojica setting the play. For Trino, good. Nice pass to Consi Bench. Wala pa din. Opya! At huli. Huli. Huli si Lolo Max. Foul Lolo Max. First personal foul, second team foul. Dikit na dikit ang laban natin here. Baka may nagpapashoutout dyan sila. Nice. 2 points by Tito Tolites. Grabe. Sabihin mo na lang. Ang ganda ng pasa, sakto. Oh! That's too strong. 5 minutes, 26 seconds. Commissioner John Porchery! Oh! In and out! Niluwa pa. Sir Mojica Butata. Pwede naman. Substitution na po tayo. Fourth five. Last mandatory substitution. Last mandatory. "5:08 on the clock. Nabamad ako. Okay. Here we go. Ay, sakto pala yung ano. Too strong. Ganda sana nun. Ito na, Kuya Dekdek. Nagmamadali. Kuya Dekdek. Dumiretso. Gets the 2 points. Ala, naagaw pa. Okay pa. Ups. All right. Time out. Lifting nga. Time out. Green Cityscape. Carrying pa. Here you go. Carrying. Alright, back to the ball game po tayo. It's Green Cityscape ball. 4 minutes and 30 seconds, 37 seconds. 15 to shoot. Almost lost the ball. 10 to shoot. Shots, wala. Manilo, nakakuha pa rin. Sir, bye-bye. 8 to shoot, there's a steal. Tada! Mamadali, ups! Ang cute nila, parang mga minion. Parang mga minion sina Sir, ang cute. Sir, Mangginaw. Naipit. Tapos si Sir Magracia, does a steal. By Kuya Dekdek. 2 points na naman. Yes. Oh, Gailan was there. Gailan, 2 points. Ay, sorry. Grabe si Gailan. Offensive rebound. 12 to shoot. 8-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Shots wala. Gailan for the rebound. Nakuha ni Sir Magracia. 1v1 situation. Magracia na iwan mag-isa. Ups! But there's a foul. Ups, yeah. Dahan-dahan lang po tayo. Mga Sir, Ma'am Sir. Mga Sir. Number 60. Oo, hindi. Ala! number 60 po. First personal foul. First foul. 60. Ayun pa, si Sir Ana. Bye-bye. Hindi talaga kaya. Pag po talaga ganan, pasok na po isa. 2, 4, 5. Okay. Two minutes, 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. There's a steal. No good? Kita. Nulugpas eh. Oh! Gailan was there, hindi na penetrate, pero 2 points pa rin for Kuya Dekdek. Back to back to back. 18, 25, pito. 15-second shot lock, almost stolen. Gailan, there's a whistle, there's a foul. It's a foul committed to player number 81. First personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots for Gailan. To Benji, Gailan. First shot is kapos. Second shot. Look good. Nauna ang talo ni Sir Holgado. Second shot clock. Oops. And there's a foul. Number 69 got his second personal foul. Warning for penalty po. Warning for penalty ang Green Cityscape. Timeout, Black Panther team.
Call it Paul. Yo.
Back to the ball game po tayo. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Ay, hirap ng malabo ang kamatahan. For 3, look good. One minute 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Shot clock is 12. Gailan! Same ball. 12-second shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Butata, the Blanca. And there, oops, dahan-dahan lang po. There's a foul. 65, first personal foul. Penalty situation po. Ang ating Green Cityscape. May nagbibideo kayo dun Happy birthday ho! Baka naman. First shot is no good. Second shot. Good, dulas. Two points. $33 seconds. Shot clock, 12. Too strong. Butata! Denied. Same ball tayo with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock, 12. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Kailan? Blanca na naman! Denied twice. Short. Napapataas ko ng shot na. 2 points for Gabak. 7 seconds. 2 seconds. And That's the end of the first half. Score natin is 20-28 in favor of Black Panther. At halftime break muna po tayo. Regular FIBA rules tayo. Shout out po kay Sam, kay Piang, kay Kulot, at kay Eman. Dagdag isa. Happy viewing, live viewers for tonight. Okay, change court na po tayo. It's Black Panther ball. Kulang Alright. Here we go. Almost lost the ball. Save ball. Dito Tola is short. Manila Max. Pass to Sir Borja. Borja to Sardinol to Borja again. That's stolen back. May sikip ang pasa. Dito Jun Gabak. Naipit. Up ya. Traveling violation. Nice D for Lola Max. Can't whip it in like on an airplane. Night, night, like shooting star. Here we go, Sir Borja. Edwin Borja. Pinasa. 2 points for Sir Holgado. 22-28. 6 lang ang kalamangan dito. 6 lang ang tinatamasang kalamangan. Oh, lalim doon. Pastor Rocky Bangkila shooting for 3. No good. Sir Holgado for the rebound. Wala. Consi Bench. For the rebound, Consi Bench. Pinapatay ni Pastor. Consi Bench goes straight to the basket. Wala. Naipit doon. Lola Max short. Tito Tolites. Oops, Tito Tolites. 3v1 situation. Nako! No good. But 2 points. Here we go, Fancy Bench. Napitawan na naman, medyo ang grip ng bola. Tito Tolites na naman. 2 points. Huli pa nga. Short. Wala. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Pasok po. Consikap. Substitution, ref. Pasok po. Kuya Dagdag. Okay, substitution. Shout out po kay Sir AP Hernandez and shout out po kay Coach Perry de los Santos. Yan, from Sir AP Hernandez. Daan ka daw sa Ligaya Cafe. Coach Perry, daan ka daw sa Ligaya Cafe. 2 points for Ready for substitution? Consi Bench. Consi Bench, hindi pa nakuha ang rhythm niya for the season. In and out. Kanina bola, Kuya Dekdek. Antas. Kuya Dekdek. Hindi na nawala na. Halos mawala ang bola. Pero nandun si Kuya Itoy. Ito at Mendoza. Itoy. 6 minutes 55 seconds. Hindi ka ba kumain? Mamaya mo nakakain. 12 to shoot. Lola Max. Ay, sila pala yan. Yeah. Substitution po tayo. Sir, makika kami for Sir Bora. Minutes 38 seconds. Tito Tolay, shooting for 3! 3 points! Eh, may baril-baril pa sa bench, eh. Six minutes 20 seconds. Lola Max perimeter shot, 2 points. Mapapagalitan ka ni Coach Perry pag hindi mo na-shoot. No, Coach. 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Ay, hindi pala. Ano pala? 6. Yun nga. 10 to shoot. Butata! Ang Twin Tower nandun sa ilalim. Consi Bench was fouled. Down foul po tayo. It's a foul committed player number 76, Tito Tolites. First personal, first team foul. Okay po. Substitution po. Number 18, coming in for Pastor Rocky Bangkilay. First personal, first team foul for Tito Tolites. 5:44 on the clock. Sir Mojica, pinasa kay Gainan. Nice fake. Here we go. Score natin is 39-26. 13. Dek. Binabantayan ni Consikap. Ito is 8 to shoot. 4-3. Short. Lola Max for the rebound. Steal. Sakto sa steal. 3v1, oh. Ay! Na-end one pa nga. Lola Max got his. Time out. Time out. Green Cityscape Trading. Second personal foul, Lola Max. First team foul. To the ball game. Bonus shot for Tito June Gabak. Isa lang po yan, ha? Isa lang. Bonus shot is no good. Ay. Here we go. Shot clock 12. Oops, there was a foul. Number 78, Kuya Dekdek. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Lola Max short. Kanya pa din. Dami doon, but he got another foul. 80. First personal, 13 foul. Sino 80? Si Daddy Nel. Lolo Max should refer to first shot, dulas. Second shot, no good. Daddy Nel for the rebound. Pass to Tito Jun Gabat. 4 minutes on the clock. The lights for Trina, good. Rebound for Consi Bench. Binaba ni Sir Mojica. 15 to shoot. Consi Bench. Fakes. Nabitawan. Hindi talaga ano ang grip ni Consi. Patay kayo kay Consi Cap. Madulas ang kamay ni Consi Bench. Ay nawawala ang bola. Ayoko pong i-shout out si Kervin Marasigan. Teka lang. Shot clock 5. Layo nga. Sabi ni Kervin, shout out po kay Lolo Max, dumating na ang gulong ng motor mo. Ayun, lalakas na ang tira. Makakaraming shoot na si Lolo Max, dumating na ang motor, ang ano. Ayun lang. Dumating na ang gulong ng motor daw. 2 minutes, 20 seconds on the clock. That's number 66 got his first personal foul, second team foul. Oo nga eh. Sunod-sunod pa kasi yung 1-2, ganun. Uy, 2 points by Kuya Dek Dek. Kuya Dek Dek doing his thing tonight. 2 points there for Consi Bench. Oh. Ready for stop po, sir. Uy, butata! That was blocked. Consi Bench waiting for his teammates. Sir Mojica, Consi Bench again. Finish passing. Juanino. Ang gandang pasa! 2 points. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Ready for sub po tayo, ha? Ref, ready for sub. 15-second shot clock. Five to shoot. Tito, the lights. No good. Consi Cap. Ups, pero may foul tayo doon. Okay pa. Substitution, ref. Okay, subs pa. Number 80. Daddy Nel, second personal. Warning for penalty lang po yun. Pasok po, Sir Hogado. Sino papalda niyo? Sir Mojica. Ay, sino papalda niyo? Consi Cap po ba? Consi Cap? Okay. Okay. 1 and 25 on the clock. .33-43. Consi Bench, 2 padingding shot. Ilista niyo na. Ayan na Consi Bench, slowly getting his rhythm. Mendoza. 15-second shot clock. 10 to shoot. Oops, but there was a whistle. Number 63. 63 po ba? 62? 63 si Sir Holgado. Okay. First personal. 13 foul. Oh, backcourt violation. The lead is down to 8. Under 1 minute po tayo, 47 seconds. Daddy Nel, pinasa sa kalaban. Consi Bench. Uy! Stolen back na kanila na. Lola Max na ipet. Nasa kay Consi Bench. 2 points. And the lead is down to 6. Tama ba? Oo nga, 6 na. 20 seconds on the clock. Ten to shoot. Butata. 5 to shoot. Look good. All right. 5.5 on the clock. 5.5. And that's the end of the third quarter. 37-43 in favor of Black Panther.
Dagay tay 50. Tagay tay sa ere, lamig sa hangin. 50 sa court, walang urungan. Para sa laro, para sa bayan. Commissioner John, ito'y alay namin. Sa taas ng Tagaytay, tanaw ang laban. Kada bribal, bawis, puso ang puhunan. 50 sa liga, di lang pangalan. Ito'y kwento ng tapang dangal at samahan. Sa half court, mabilis ang galaw. Fast break, crossover, crowd ay sumisigaw. Hindi lang puntos, hindi lang tropeo, kundi respeto sa laro. Tunay na esensya nito. Tagaytay
50. Pasok po. Fourth and final quarter. Kanina, last game natin, we had an overtime between Pink Crusher and Blue. Intensity 8. And Pink Crusher won the game. They were down by almost 15 points, 16 points. But there was an epic comeback. Let's see. Ito, mahaba pa to. Last 10 minutes of the game. Tingnan natin kung last na nga. Baka di ba? There was a foul. Number 80. Third personal foul. First team foul. Tatlo. Daddy Nell, tatlo na pang foul nyo. Sir God of shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Happy birthday, ho. Second shot is good. The lead is down to 5. Tig-tatlo pa ha. Both teams, tig-tatlo timeout. Pero kailangan po yung magamit yung isa before under 2 minutes. Kasi still, ito na naman. Chance ang mapalapit ang kalabangan. Consi Bench, too strong. But there was a foul. It's a foul committed player number 57. Tatlo pa. Dalawa pa. Aha. Sa under 2 minutes pa po yung players timeout ha. Both teams, tatlong bench timeout, dalawang players timeout. Under 2 minutes pa po yung inyong players timeout. Dito Jun Gabak. 4-3! No good. There's a foul committed player number 81. Pastor, second personal, second team foul. On si bench, pass to Lola Max. Lola Max, uy, niluwa. Same ball. Substitution rep. Tito Toy is coming in for, sino pa papasan mo? Pastor Rocky. Timeout! Green, Cityscape.
Yeah! Tagaytay 50. Tagaytay sa ere, lamig sa hangin. 50 sa court, walang urungan. Para sa laro, para sa bayan. Commissioner John, ito'y alay namin. Sa taas ng Tagaytay, tanaw ang laban. Kada bribal, bawis, puso ang puhunan. 50 sa liga, di lang pangalan. Ito'y kwento ng tapang dangal at sama.
Back to the ball game. Okay. Second team foul na po. Ang Green Cityscape, ano na lang po, 2 na lang bench timeout niya, ha? Trouble. Tagaytay 50. Shot clock 12. Double blend. Like brothers. Like brother, like brother. Consi bench. Pass to Gailan. Gailan short. 22. Tito Tolites. Lumihis. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Tito Tolites libre sa 3 points. That's a bang, bang, bang. Ano ka ngayon, Sam? That's a steal. 2 points for Mendoza. Sayang yung timeout ng Green Cityscape. Di nila na-execute yung kanilang play. Eh, nagkabaliktad pa. Green pa. 2 points for Sir Edwin. (40-48), 8-point lead. Same ball. Substitution rep. Consi Cup coming in for. Sino pa babata niya? Si Gailan muna. Okay lang, kahit 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. That's also 20 per second shot clock violation and out of bounds. Consi Cup. Shots, 2 points for Consi Cup. Baba ulit sa 6 ang kalamangan. Mendoza. Sorry. Bangkilay to Mendoza. Talay shots for 3, no good. Sir Holgado was there for the rebound. Oh, this is steal. Stolen backups, but there's a foul by Pastor Bangkilay once again, 81 ba? Third personal foul. Third team foul. Third personal for Pastor Bangkilay, third team foul. Consi bench. Goes straight to the basket, 2 points. 4 na lang pala ang hinahabol. Dikit ang laban natin with 5 minutes, 58 seconds. Libre si Tito. 2 points for Tito Tolites. Ricochet. So Edwin, pass to Consi bench, to Consi Cup. 15 to shoot, Consi Cup, naipit. Ipit. Shots, wala. Nakakuha ni Sir Edwin, short. Kanina na. 8 to shoot. Dukat King for Lola Max, 2 points. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan. Baba sa 4, I mean. Aha. 12 to shoot. And those the shots. No good. Nakanina. Nakakuha ni Lola Max. Lola Max to Consi bench. Go straight. No good. Nakakuha ni Sir Lola Max. 2 points again. Time out. Black Panther team.
Tagaytay sa ere, lamig sa hangin 50 sa court, walang urungan. Para sa laro, para sa bayan, komisyoner yun, ito'y alay namin. Sa taas ng Tagaytay, tanaw ang laban. Kada bribal, pawis, puso ang puhunan. 50 sa liga, di lang pangalan. Ito'y kwento ng tapang dangal at samahan. Sa half court, mabilis ang galaw. Fast break, crossover, crowd ay sumisigaw. Hindi lang puntos, hindi lang tropeo, kundi respeto sa laro, tunay.
Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter po tayo with 4 minutes and 35 seconds on the clock. Dalawa na lang po ang hinahabol ng ating Green Cityscape. 2-point lead, 48-50. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan. Pinaganda rin ang laban natin. Natambakan na rin ito kanina. 4 minutes pa to guys, ang haba pa ng oras natin. 15 to shoot. Opia, there's a foul pa. Foul committed by player number 63. Second personal foul, second team foul. Focus tayo mga sir, focus para ano. Focus. Tijun Gabak shooting for 2. This was an act of shooting first shot. Ay, niluwa. No good. Second shot. Second shot is good. Sir Holgado. Shots, 2 points. 50, 53. Diyos ko, ang ganda naman. Dikit na naman ang laban natin. In and out. Niluwa. Nako ni Gaylan. Pass to Consikap. To Gaylan again. Consikap again. To Gaylan. Almost 8 seconds, but naitawid ang bola. 3 minutes, 48 seconds. Consikap. To Gaylan. Ang lalim. And there's a whistle. There was a foul. 70-60 to. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty na po ang Black Panther natin. Warning for penalty. Sige pa, ready for sub? First shot is good! Second shot, ready for substitution pa tayo, ref? Advance sub. Second shot is good pa rin, substitution. Passer Bangkilay coming in. And the lead is down to 1. Iisa na lang ang hinahabol. Ay, lamang na pala ang green. Oo nga, 52-51. Ang labo kasi na mata ko. Hindi ko na, akala ko 50 pa lang yun. 52-51, 1-point lead by the Green Cityscape. With 3 minutes 20 seconds, dikit na naman ang laban natin. Almost lost the ball. Nakakuha ni... Walang bantay! Yes, there's a net one! There's a foul committed player, number 70. Consikap, pushing foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. And one po tayo, bonus shot, bonus free throw for Kuya Dekdek. Bonus shot is no good. Ay, too soon. Entering too soon. And then tayo with 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 3 and 10 on the clock. Shots, wala pa rin. Nakanila ang bola. Eto na, chance na naman. Mendoza, but there was a foul. It's a blind foul. Committed by number 64. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty for both teams. Are warning for penalty. Tatlo pa tayo tigdalawa na lang po ang time out natin. 4-3 na good. Consi Bench, sakto! 2 points for Consi Bench Sardiniola. Lamang na naman ang isa. Ang green team. Uy! Wait lang pa. Number 70? 70, penalty situation po tayo dyan. Ang ilan yan? Third personal penalty. Both teams po penalty situation. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ikaw talaga tinatanong ko lagi. Ang liit kasi nung ano natin. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is no good. Ayan. Substitution ref. Substitution. Okay pa. Lola Max coming in for Konsi Cup. 2:27 on the clock. 2:27. Okay, shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points. And those 3 points for Tito Tolites. That's a bang, bang, bang. Last. Ay, di ba pala? 2 minutes and 5 seconds pa. Ayan, last 2 minutes. 2 points. Akala ko hindi shoot. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Uy! Nawala ang bola. This is still. Ito na. Chance na naman makalamang. Konsi Bench, 2 points. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Lamang na naman ang isang green. Almost lost the ball. $15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. No good. Ito na naman. Ang black. Sir Moiga, too strong. Na kanina. There's a foul. Sabit yan. Number 58, Lola Max. Third personal foul. Penalty situation yan, both teams. Penalty situation. 58-57 tayo, ha? Both teams are in penalty situation. Crucial free throws po, mga ito. Kailangan. Crucial free throw. Right? Her shot. No good. For the tie. Tig-dalawang bench timeout po kayo. Tig-dalawang players timeout. And then both teams penalty situation. Second shot, no good. Uy, napaganda pa nga. Wala pa rin. 10 to shoot. Oh, there's an end one. Who's foul rep? 63. Third personal foul. Dalawang bench, dalawang players timeout po yan, ha? Team foul, both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Bonus shot for Kuya Dekdek. Bonus po, isa lang po to. No good! Here goes Sir Holgado. 40 seconds, almost lost the ball. Oh, there's a foul. Penalty situation. Number 78, substitution rep. Third personal. Sino papalitan niyo? Sino papalitan niyo? Ayan, si Sir Mojica. Okay, penalty po yan, both teams. Tig-dalawang bench timeout, tig-dalawang players timeout po tayo. Dikit na naman ang laban natin. Oh my God. Here we go. Send Tito Benji Gaylan. Shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Diyos ko, iisa lang pala ang lamang. Dikit na naman. 58-51 tayo. Ay, 58-59. Second shot for the tie. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa nila. And there's my God, who's for ref? 80. Dadinel. Fourth personal foul on Dadinel. Penalty. Sir Holgado, crucial free throws po yan. Okay. Another set for the... No good! Ito, for the tie na naman. For the tie na naman. Grabing laban na naman to, Diyos ko. And we are tied. Ilang seconds yan? 42 seconds. Shot clock 15. 30 seconds. At 10 to shoot. Putata! Ito na ako si Besh Porteriola for the 2 points. 2 points! Timeout! Black Panther team!
Dagay tayo 50.
What a hassle by the Greenscape. Dalawa, isa. Isang bench timeout po ang Black, dalawang players timeout. Dalawang bench timeout, dalawang players timeout. Both teams penalty, ref. Malinaw pa ha? Back to the ball game. Ganda na laban. Black, green. Wala po ba kayong hindi kaya advance timeout? Green? Okay. Green team, wala po bang shoot timeout sa inyo? Wala po. Paki-advance po paki-advance. Di naman nagsabi. Coaches, paki-advance po ang timeout kung ta-timeout po. Coaches. Okay pa. Malinaw. Ayaw. And timeout. Black, green escape. Green cityscape. Tig-isang bench timeout, tig-dalawang players timeout. Penalty situation tayo, tig-isang bench timeout, tig-dalawang players timeout. Tig-isang bench timeout, tig-dalawang players timeout tayo, 11 seconds on the clock, and we are tied at 61. This is the fourth and final quarter. 11 seconds on the clock, 11. No more shot clock po. Oh! One second!